Welcome to the wild world of household appliances, where a little TLC goes a long way. We all love our trusty fridge and washing machine, but did you know that neglecting them can lead to costly repairs? Let's spill the tea on 5 common household appliance mistakes that could drain your wallet faster than you think. First up, ignoring regular maintenance is a big no-no. Schedule monthly checks and clean those filters. Next, overloading your washing machine or dishwasher might seem convenient, but it can seriously backfire. Don't forget to give your appliances a good scrub. Dirt and grime can affect performance. Using improper settings? That's a recipe for disaster, so always consult the manuals. Lastly, while DIY is fun, some repairs are best left to the pros. Investing in professional servicing can save you from major headaches. By avoiding these blunders, you can keep your appliances running smoothly and save big bucks. So buckle up and give your appliances the love they deserve.